Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Melbet Ghana. The procedure is very simple to do. Before continuing the video, I'll invite you to create a Melbet professional account where you come and click on registration, then come and click on by email, which will be the full inscription. Now you will come right up to your promo code where you will enter the promo code BOTV, which will help you to get 300% of bonus at your first deposit. Meaning if you put an amount of $10, you will obtain $30. Continue the video. First, you are going to click on your settings as you are from Ghana. You are going to just follow the steps. Now, you are going to click on the option of withdraw from account, which is the second option. You are going to see a lot of withdrawal funds as in your country in Ghana. You can see the payment system, the cryptocurrency, and all the rest. So you can see other options like e-wallet. For example, you can click on the Jeton wallet. You can see the amount and then the Jeton account number. You will just put the amount that you wish and now the account number of your Jeton bank. You can also have the web money, money go or other, or even come at your payment system by clicking, for example, Paye. You will do the same by putting your amount of money that you wish to remove and then the e-payment account or ID number and then confirm. And it is as simple as that.